Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, I'm comparing Shopify and Amazon, two of the biggest places that you can use to sell products online. I'll go over what they are, how they work, their features, pricing, and which one might be the best choice for you. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link that we've put down below. You'll get a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer, and you'll get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, a quick overview of each platform. Shopify is a platform that helps you build your own online store. You get full control over how your website looks, how you sell your products, and how you grow your brand. It's great if you want your own space online and you want to build a long term business. On the other hand, Amazon is a huge marketplace where millions of people shop every day, sometimes multiple times a day. Instead of building a store, you simply list your products on Amazon and customers can find them right away. It's faster to get sales, but you don't have as much control and you'll compete with many other sellers. Let's look at features. Shopify gives you everything you need to run your own store. You can design your website, add products, track inventory, accept payments, run ads, and use apps to add even more tools whenever you need them. You can also do drop shipping or sell in person, right? Another thing is that Amazon works in a different way. You create product listings, and Amazon handles a lot of the work in the background. If you use Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, Amazon stores your items and ships them for you. This is really helpful for beginners, but it also means that you must follow Amazon's rules and deal with higher competition. Let's talk about user experience. Shopify is beginner friendly, its dashboard is easy to understand, and you can customize your store with simple drag and drop tools. It lets you be creative and build things your way. Amazon Seller Central is a lot more technical. It's powerful, but it may feel confusing at first because there are many rules, fees, and listing steps that you need to learn. Once you get used to it, though, it becomes easier to manage your shop. When it comes to integration, Shopify has a huge app store. You can connect marketing tools, shipping tools, accounting software, print on demand apps, and many other services. This really begins to give you the freedom to grow however you want. Amazon has fewer integrations because it already includes very many built-in tools. Still, you can connect Amazon to things like Shopify, add tools, or inventory systems if you want extra features. Let's talk about pricing. Shopify has four main monthly plans. Basic is $25 per month. Grow is $65 per month. Advanced is $399 per month. And the Plus plan starts at $2,300 per month. Amazon has two selling plans. The individual plan costs 99 cents per item sold. And the professional plan costs $39.99 or $39.99 per month. So which one do you choose? If you want to build your own brand, design your store your way, and have full control rather over your online business, Shopify is the better choice. But if you want to start selling fast and reach millions of shoppers without even building a single website, Amazon is a great option. Just remember, competition is high and Amazon's rules can be strict. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more comparisons just like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.